Hey guys, Ed here, and we're in my 2006 Honda Ridgeline right now. And the thing is, this light came on since I didn't reset oil. This light when I changed my oil, and now this thing is on. Serves due now, and the range sign. So we will get rid of it right now. So first thing, if you have a manual, you can open page 225. Oh no, it's 228 manual, and then you can just follow these steps. If you don't, then just follow these steps I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, so first step, let's put it in number 2. 1, 2. You have 2 notches here, so this is the first step. Second thing, if you have to using this button select, you have to make sure it's on oil life. Once you have the oil life, you have to press reset button and hold it for 10 seconds. Now we have over here, we have maintenance reset, and it says N for no. If you have Y, it should be yes. So we have to press select, and now it's yes. Select no, select yes. So yes, we want to select yes. Once we have selected yes, we have to press reset button and hold it for another 10 seconds. Well, no, we actually have to just press it once, reset, and it's done. So yeah, that's it. I have 211,000 miles already. Yeah, that's it. It's all set, all life 100, and no range sign. Hope this helps. If it does, press like. Have a great day. Bye.